Tell you what, does not feel like there's an e-bike in here. It says 20 kilogram on the box. That is, yeah. Excited to build this thing up. Amflow sent out the new e-bike. I've heard a lot of good things about it, so yeah, new tool for the woods. Yeah, really excited. Let's tear in and have a look. Ho, 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 ho. Excuse my messy garage. Come on. I have to get some snips. Very nicely protected, that's for sure. Getting into it now. This is like Christmas though, for sure. Oh, loving that. It's like a black and gold colour. Really nice colour. Get her on the stand. Get this box out of the way. Ho ho ho. Let the dog see the rabbit, so they say. Stoked. As I said, the bike felt really light in the box. It's actually 19.2 kilogram, which is mind-blowing for a bike of this sort of power. Yeah, 105 newton meters of torque, which is going to be firing you up some seriously steep tech stuff. If you have to jump off, you got the new intelligent walk assist, which again, yeah, I use walk assist quite a lot when you're going up something steep. Sometimes you loop out and have to jump off, so yeah. The bike charges from 0 to 75% in around an hour and a half, so I'll be putting the bike on charge in a minute, and yeah, seeing how fast that happens. Yeah, the built-in display, that's one of the main things that I noticed straight away. I was like, wow, this is leaps and bounds ahead of the technology I've seen before. I'm excited to look around that, check it out on the app and see how I can personalise this bike to be my own through all the clever stuff that DJI and Amflow have put together. So yeah, going into the modes, you've got an automatic, auto mode, eco, trail, turbo and boost. So I think auto just reads what your input is and sort of gives it back in the most eco way. And then eco is obviously focused on full eco if you're going for a massive ride. Trail, it's aimed at like mixed technical trails, I guess, where it's like flat and little punchy ups. Turbo is going to be, yeah, I'm excited to try turbo. I'm always in turbo myself. And then boost is like a 30-second blaster super mode. So yeah, they're the features inside the bike. Yeah, sick. Needed a new one of them as well. Yeah. Right, where's this charger at? And that. And get this thing charged up, take it for a spin. I want to feel that power that everyone's talking about. Everything that DJI do is so sleek and well designed. Where's this charger hole? Now I got some charge in here. I'm gonna go try out this power. Right, so I built the bike up, stock. Gonna turn it on and take it for a little pedal test. gonna feel this power before putting my own parts on. I'm just selecting modes now. Straight to turbo, obviously. Oh, yo, brakes are still pretty. Oh my god! Nearly looped her out. Flipping heck! It is a beast. Wow. Yeah, this is crazy. This is a game changer. Wow. Nearly did a world's first bunny hop backflip with that power. It rides like really light, like it does not feel like an e-bike. It's like, yeah. I'm excited to try this in the woods because it literally feels like a normal bike. I've rode SLs, but this is obviously full power, so it's got that light manoeuvrability with the power. It's going to be, yeah, future's here for sure. I'm going to park it up and show some features actually. Yeah, really impressed. That is a rig. It's so clean, like around the bars. Like all my other e-bikes have always had like loads of cables around around the stem and stuff. Obviously you have the computer, whereas this has got the really nice touchscreen top tube interface. Yeah, it just feels crazy futuristic. I'm gonna pop the seat. So yeah, I think this is gonna ride really playful, and all the weight saved is just gonna translate onto the trails really well. Yeah, pretty speechless to be honest. I always thought e-bikes would get here at some point, but that is impressive. Right, I'm gonna go and put my own parts on it now. Make it my own. Okay, these are my own parts that I will be throwing on now. I showed you how the bike came stock out of the box. The build feels really nice and quality, all the stuff's great. Me personally, I represent some brands, as you probably know, so I'll be swapping those stock bits off now and putting my bits on and making this bike my own. Mad that that's just like full wireless. As I was saying, like really nice and refreshing to have all this stuff, that cables going to it.